Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download MySQL Workbench for Windows and connect server step by step clearly. To download MySQL Workbench for Windows, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official MySQL website. Once on the home page, look for the Downloads section. Click on the Downloads link to access the download options. Scroll down the page to find the MySQL Community Edition section. Here, locate the MySQL Workbench option. Click on the MySQL Workbench link to proceed to the download page. On this new page, select the Windows operating system. You will see various versions of MySQL Workbench listed. Choose the installer that suits your system architecture, either 32-bit or 64-bit. Click on the download link next to the version you selected. You may be redirected to a login page. If you don't have an account, you can skip this step by clicking on the "No thanks, just start my download" link. The download should begin automatically. Once the download completes, navigate to your Downloads folder. Double-click the MySQL Workbench installer file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions in the installation wizard. When prompted, choose the setup type, typically full or custom. Click Next to continue with the installation. Select the installation location if prompted and click Next. After installation, click Finish to exit the wizard. Now, launch MySQL Workbench from your Start menu. To connect to a server, click on the plus icon next to MySQL Connections. In the Setup window, enter a connection name to identify your connection. Specify the connection method, typically standard, TCP/IP. Input the host name, usually localhost if the server. Enter the port number, with the default being 3306. Provide your MySQL username, generally root. Click Test Connection to check if the settings are correct. If prompted, enter your password. Once the test returns successful, click OK to save the connection. You should see your connection listed in the MySQL Workbench home screen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.